Good morning, you guys. I am just trying to use a sealed sunscreen. I am just getting ready for the day. My hair is so frizzy, but I don't think that's going to change because I don't know if I'm going to have time to... Oh God, I hate the smell of this. It smells like chlorine to me, which is just the world's worst smell in my opinion. Anything that's bleachy. Anyways, just trying to get ready for the day. I have a lot of stuff I have to do because today, my friends, today is the day. Today, I am in the process of setting up a new business that I'm so excited about. And I just can't tell you how excited I am for this. It's something I've been mulling over for a while. And I feel like this is my calling. And I'm like, oh, I just don't have time. I've got so much other stuff going on. I already work enough jobs. But the other night, I was fast asleep. It was like 2 in the morning. And all of a sudden, my brain woke me up like, no, you have to do this. And so I'm so excited. So I'm just going to work on that stuff today. And also, the way I have my life set up is I do like Tuesdays is YouTube editing days, and well, right now every day is YouTube editing days, but normally, and then such and such business on Wednesdays. And it's easier to delegate the bigger tasks to specific days so that you're not always trying to catch up and you're not staying focused on one thing. Anyways, I'm just like layering on primer after primer basically because my skin, I feel like, is really not well. And see who's. So today I need to rejig my weekly calendar to factor in for this new business. Alright, today I'm actually going to use the Tarte BB Tinted Treatment Primer because I accidentally bought this. Have no idea if it's any good. We're about to find out. Oh, that looks like it is far too dark for me, and yet it is... What shade is this light? I mean, is that my shade? We're about to find out. I mean, it works. Yeah, it's a little orange, not gonna lie. I thought we could pull this off, but this is their lightest shade. Oh gosh. Oh goodness me. Excuse me while I look like an Oompa Loompa today. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to do something about this. This is not gonna work. How is this a light? Like how? I don't understand. I feel like if I just keep rubbing, oh my gosh, my hands are so orange, it'll get better. We shall see. Take these out so I can do my ears. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work or not. I literally washed my hands and wiped them on a towel because they still felt greasy, and the towel is now orange, so not loving this. I'm feeling very like, but I mean, it says it's a light. It's the lightest shade they have. It's insane. I wasn't planning on like going crazy in on my makeup today, and now I feel like I have to because my face is orange. And I feel like if your face is orange, you should at least have like a full face of makeup on to justify the horridness of your face being orange. When I finally get around to getting Botox, I can't wait for them to even out these brows. This one is my favorite brow. This one is just a shit show, to be honest. And it sits high. This one sits higher than this one, so they'll raise this one up a little bit with Botox, and I'm excited for that. The annoying thing is I wanted to get it done in February, and then in February, like, everyone started talking about coronavirus here in Hawaii, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna wait and see what happens with that before going to a doctor. And now I'm like, why didn't I do it? Try to tone down the gloss on these eyes a bit. Maybe that's helped a little. I think so. Like I said, the original plan was to not go all in on the makeup, but I feel like we are not left with another option at this time. Maybe I should have got my mirror for this. Yeah, because who am I kidding? I'm gonna stab myself in the eye. And then, because I didn't want to do my eye makeup because I'm way too lazy, I'm just putting a lip gloss on. Whoops. This is the Mora Runway. And there we go. Done for the day. Going to add some of the world's best perfume, the one I can't pronounce. And boom, bosh, bang, we're done. We're done. Gonna get breakfast now because I'm starving. Oh my gosh, it's 2:30. I have not vlogged anything today and just realized I haven't even edited yesterday's video. This is the downside of daily vlogging. So, gonna jump on that real quick. Where's my gadget? Downside of the Apple laptops is none of them have the little like USB ports and SD card ports and stuff like that anymore, so you have to have a gadget little thing, and I always lose mine, always. This one's actually broken. I can barely get it to read right now, but I have another one on the way, so hopefully it'll last just a little bit longer.
When I need someone totally unreliable, you're always mine.
Okay, so I missed my upload time. I've been uploading at 4 p.m. and it is now 4:20. I started uploading at 3:50 and it's so slow because everyone else is doing Vlogmas. Like, it's my own fault. I should have done it sooner. I hate myself. Tomorrow I'm just gonna get in the habit of doing it as soon as I wake up in the morning so I don't have this problem anymore. Well, this has been an odd old day. I am so excited because I did my first meeting today as far as my new business goes, and it went really, really well. I feel really, really positive, but unfortunately it was at 11 p.m. my time, so that's really late for me. So now it's 11:53. I've just gotten out of the shower, did my skincare. I'm headed off to bed. I'm exhausted, I'm wrecked, but I am setting the goal for myself of tomorrow's vlog will be better. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Good night.